Hello, I'm Jeffrey Ham, equity analyst for Briefing.com. Today is Wednesday, March 12th. It appeared the major indices were set to extend yesterday's rally, but the stock market eventually turned as traders decided to take some profits. The S&P 500 finished the day with a significant loss. The Dow Jones and Nasdaq also finished lower, but fared better than the S&P 500. 9 of the 10 economic sectors trended lower today. Some of the largest gainers on Tuesday saw the steepest declines today. Financials gave up 2.1% and energy lost 1.5%. Only industrials finished in the green today, thanks to strength from two industry bellwethers. Caterpillar handily outperformed the broader market after the company reaffirmed its 2008 profit guidance and gave a better-than-expected long-term outlook. The company said, quote, "We continue to increase capacity and plan to invest about $2.3 billion in capital expenditures this year," end quote. General Electric also provided a boost to the industrial sector. GE CEO Immelt said revenue should rise at least 10% in 2008. After dropping 17% yesterday, the managed healthcare group finished today down 2% and ran into more selling pressure as Humana cut its full-year 2008 profit forecast to between $4 and $4.25 per share, from $5.25 per share to $5.55 per share. Yesterday, WellPoint spurred the selling pressure after it lowered its earnings expectations. Airlines got hammered, losing 10%, after CNBC reported that JP Morgan downgraded its estimates on several carriers. Crude oil traded in a choppy manner following the release of the government's weekly inventory report. The Department of Energy said crude stockpiles grew by a much larger amount than expected. Despite the seemingly bearish report for crude traders, oil managed to break all-time intraday and closing highs. Crude closed up 1.3% to $110.02 per barrel. The dollar hit all-time lows, dropping a steep 1.25% against a basket of world currencies. The euro gained 1.26% against the dollar, and the dollar lost 1.35% against the yen. I'm Jeffrey Ham for Briefing.com. Thanks for listening and have a great evening.